It's a 2016 Honda Odyssey. From a hood to hatch, it offers all the comforts and conveniences you could want. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Refrigerated box located in the console. Front heated leather bucket seats. Integrated navigation system with voice activation. Auto-dimming rear view mirror. Bluetooth wireless audio streaming. Honda Link. Dual zone climate control. Automatic transmission. Express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof. Front and rear parking sensors. And V6 engine. Kelley Blue Book states, in everyday driving, the Odyssey's suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections for a very comfortable ride. Yet the settings aren't so soft as to induce unwanted body roll in the turns. It's a Honda, so longevity comes standard. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.